Hello, dear children. Today I want to tell you a wonderful story about something truly amazing. It's about how Allah created the beautiful sky above us with all its shining lights. Then Allah, the most wise and powerful, decided to create something magnificent. First, He created the bright, warm sun. The sun would shine during the day, giving us light and warmth. It rises in the morning like a golden ball, travels across the sky, and sets in the evening with beautiful colors at heavens. It would help the flowers grow, keep us cozy, and make the world bright and cheerful. What a beautiful gift from Allah. But Allah didn't stop there. He created the gentle moon to glow softly at night. The moon would be our friend in the darkness, giving us a peaceful silvery light when the sun went to sleep. Sometimes the moon looks big and round like a shining plate in the sky. The moon watches over us gently as we dream. How wonderful. Then Allah filled the night sky with countless twinkling stars. Each star sparkles like a tiny diamond, decorating the heavens with its special light. There are so many stars that we cannot even count them all. They remind us of Allah's endless power and creativity. In the Quran, Allah tells us He created the sun, the moon, and the stars, all made to serve by His command. When you look up at the stars, you can see how great and wonderful Allah is. So remember, children, every time you see the sun shining brightly in the blue sky, the moon glowing softly in the darkness, or the stars twinkling like little lights above you, think about Allah's beautiful creation. He made them all perfectly, with love and care, just for us. Good night, dear children, and may Allah bless you always and keep you safe.